traders, this is Brian with TraderShark.com, an educational website to learn how to trade the E-mini S&P futures. Today is Tuesday, January 24th, 2012. The following are examples of trade setups that occur on a consistent basis. These trade setups are described in detail in the trading manual and in the live daily Shark Den. Today we are showing two trade setups for a potential profit of 13 ES ticks. Now keep in mind that there's a lot of other trades that do occur in the trade room based on the commentary that is given. And so this first trade that got kicked off here at around a little after 9:54 Eastern Standard Time, target 1 and target 2 are hit for a total of 7 ticks. I missed it. I did not get on that trade, so I'm not counting it for today's videos. Otherwise, that would be a total of 3 trades for 20 ES ticks. The market continued in an uptrend, and right about here we started to, we have what's called a signature shark attack trade. Again, it's in yellow because I'm not counting it according to the trading manual, but I do want you to see how this setup occurs. When we start to talk about a shark attack setting up, we do look for any opportunities as to where to get in. So if you got in at the best opportunity, it would be right here below the gold line. If you got in a little bit later in the game, you could have also matched this up with what's called an expanded trade, and you would have had an opportunity, even on an expand trade, an opportunity for 6 ticks. Again, we're not counting that. On the shark attack trade, from the entry point to the profit target 1 is a total of 2 points, or 8 ticks. And then the target 2 is 4 points, or 16 ticks. So just that trade in itself, one trade on 2 contracts, could literally yield 24 ticks, or 6 points. And if you were more than conservative and you scaled out here, then that's fine. So you got 2 points, or a total of 16 ticks. We did have another valid trade set up right here at about 10:51 Eastern Standard Time. No fill. Did not get filled to complete it. This was our first trade that actually I think everybody had gotten on relatively simple. Target 1 and target 2 are hit for a total of 6 ticks. Then we go into what's called a no trade zone from 11:30 until 1:15 Eastern Standard Time. Coming out of the no trade zone, we had an opportunity to get short. Now this depends on where you entered. You have a couple different areas you could have entered. From a conservative perspective, there was no fill. We did have a shorting opportunity not to fill, but there was a more aggressive entry that you would have gotten filled, target 1 and target 2, and target 2 would have been questionable. But for the purposes of this video, we're going to count it as a no fill. And then we had an opportunity to cross through our moving average, pull back, an opportunity to get long, target 1 and target 2 for a total of 7 ticks. We actually reached up into a target 3 for that shark attack trade that we did not follow through with. With the low volume we've seen over the last 8 to 10 weeks, we really did not anticipate this type of move to the upside. Now tomorrow we have the FOMC meeting announcement, and so with that being said, we'll probably expect one move in the morning with a little bit of consolidation until the announcement, and then after the announcement we will respond based on price action, not the news itself. To learn more about these and more advanced trade setups, or to get a copy of the TraderShark trading manual, please visit TraderShark.com. Thank you, and I'll see you in the Shark Den in the morning.